In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start out with Xero Expenses. If you are getting ready to manage employee spending more efficiently, Xero Expenses is a great place to begin. It helps streamline the way receipts, expense claims, and mileage are captured and submitted, making the whole process much easier for both administrators and staff. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the initial setup so you can get Xero Expenses ready for your team. To begin, open your Xero dashboard. Once you are on the main screen, go to the top menu and select Purchases. A drop-down menu will appear. And from there, choose Expenses. This is where you'll access the tools needed to set up and manage expense claims inside Xero. When the Expenses page opens, click Get Started with Expenses. This will take you into the setup process. Xero is designed to make this fairly straightforward. So even if you are doing this for the first time, the setup should feel simple and manageable. Next, turn on the option to enable receipt analysis. This feature can be very helpful because it supports faster receipt processing and can improve the way receipt information is captured. Enabling it at the beginning is a good way to make future expense submissions more efficient. After that, select your expense claim accounts. This step is important because it tells Xero which accounts should be used when expense claims are submitted. Take a moment here to make sure the accounts you choose match the way your organization wants to track spending. Right after that, select your mileage claim accounts as well. This ensures that any mileage submitted by staff is recorded correctly and routed to the appropriate account. Once those account selections are in place, the next step is to set roles for your team. Roles determine who can submit expenses, who can review them, and who can manage the process within Xero. Assigning the correct permissions from the start helps avoid confusion later and keeps the workflow organized. Then click Update Roles to start. This saves your role settings and activates the team setup for Xero Expenses. After everything is configured, staff can begin using the Xero Me app to photograph receipts or log mileage. This makes it easy for team members to submit expenses as they happen, instead of waiting until later to track everything down. Encouraging your team to submit receipts right away can help improve accuracy and reduce missing documentation. That's all to it. Once set up, you'll have a much smoother process for handling receipts and mileage claims. Thanks for watching.